Hello and welcome to this video, guys. This video is about database versus data warehouse versus data lake and understanding the key differences between these. Now, because every data professional works with one of these systems and each serves a unique purpose in data ecosystem, understanding the difference helps in choosing the right tool for the job. So let's move on to slide number 1, which says what is database. So database stores current structured data used for daily operations, and it supports CRUD operations, which is create, read, update, and delete. Database is optimized for transactional performance, which is OLTP systems or online transaction processing systems. The examples of database are SQL Server, MySQL, and Oracle. Let's move on to the next slide. What is data warehouse? So data warehouse stores historical and structured data for analysis. It is designed for read-heavy workloads like OLAP systems, which is online analytical processing systems. Data warehouse integrates data from multiple sources for business insights. And the examples of data warehouse are Snowflake, Amazon Redshift, and Google BigQuery. Let's move on to the next slide. What is a data lake? So data lake stores raw, unstructured, and semi-structured data. So comparatively, database is storing operational data, warehouse is storing analytical data, but data lake is storing unstructured and semi-structured data. Data lake can handle massive volumes of data efficiency, and it is ideal for data science, machine learning, and big data analytics. Examples for data lake are Azure Data Lake, AWS S3, which is Amazon Web Services S3, and Hadoop. Let's move on to the next slide. Now we'll look at the key differences between database, data warehouse, and data lake. So database is mostly a structured format, where data warehouse is also a structured format, but data lake is raw and unstructured. Database is used for daily operations, whereas data warehouse is used for analytics, and data lake is used for big data and AI. Talking about the costs, database is of a moderate cost, where data warehouse is higher cost and data lake is the lower cost. The higher cost of data warehouse is because of the analytical storage. Other comparisons can be database is used for OLTP, which is online transaction protocol. Warehouse is used for OLAP, which is online analytical processing, and data lake is used for distributed systems. So users of these are mainly app users for database, analysts for data warehouse, and data scientists for data lake. So simple analogy, day-to-day example, if we talk about these three is like database can be considered as a store counter which handles day-to-day transactions. Data warehouse is like the reports department which analyzes business performance, and data lake is like an ocean of data which stores everything raw for exploration used by data scientists. There is another modern trend which is a lakehouse architecture, which is a combination of the strengths of data lakes and data warehouses. It stores both raw and structured data together. Lakehouse architecture enables unified analytics and scalability. And the examples for Lakehouse architecture are Databricks Lakehouse, Snowflake, and Microsoft Fabric OneLake. So to summarize this video, we can say that database is used for operational data and transactions, data warehouse for analytical and historical insights, whereas data lake is used for big data storage and advanced analytics. If this video has helped you in any way, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.